All right, stay still. Don't move, Peacock. Are you sure this is gonna work? Oh, it's gonna work. We have your blood. My leg, it burns. What is going on here? Peacock, why are you screaming like a little girl? Oh, Peacock is screaming like a little girl because I injected his blood into this super dirty needle. Well, don't get any blood on the floor because I mopped it. I think we need a little more of your blood. Let's see your arm. Nope, can't hear you. Lowl, lowl, lowl. Hello, guys. Me and Crow are back from the vacation after visiting Alaska. Wait, Dodo, why do you have a syringe full of blood? Yeah, Dodo, what's going on? Tell me. I'm using this syringe, and I have Peacock's blood and am trying to inject it on a human. What? Why? Just to see if the human will turn into Peacock. Dumb and dumber and the dumbest. Give me that needle. No. Get the hell away from me. Give it. You demented flightless bird. I love fish fingers. Crow, what are you doing? Help, Parrot. I need fish fingers. Oh, why do you sound like Peacock? I accidentally injected myself with Peacock's blood. Help me, sweetie. You'll go in the room, wait for me there. Look, everybody. Peacock has a helmet cast you. Never mind that. That helmet cast PUE is just for my protection. That I wear to help me escape from predators. Give it back as mine. What the heck is your problem? Crow, how do you feel? What do you think? I feel like Peacock. Scared. Now I'm walking like Peacock. Well, according to the internet, you should feel fine tonight.
Yeah, I feel like a king.
Really, Dodo? Well, thank goodness. Okay, Crow, since you're transforming into Peacock, I have only one rule. Stay the hell away from me, because I want to spend time with my sister, Chicken. You know what, guys? Let's relax and watch a scary movie. A scary movie. Crow, help. Come on, Peacock, I just need a little more of your blood. I'm not letting you have any more of my blood. Dodo, well, come on, Peacock. I'll be careful with it this time. No, last time you took like 17 milligrams. I'm not letting you have any of my blood, and that is final. That's why you are related to a rooster. Look at what you did, Peacock. Me, it was you. Guys, keep it down. Goose is giving me spa day today. Crow is turning into you again. Peacock. I'll call Turkey. She will know what to do. Yeah, what it is. Oh, hey, Turkey. Is it true that when you invite a male turkey bird over to your sleepover and the two of you get stuffed inside each other, that is called turducken? Turkey, Peacock injected Crow with his blood, and now Crow is turning into Peacock. Again, let me see. Parrot, sweetie, help me. Holy guacamole, what's wrong? Look in the mirror.